Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this beautiful and very attractive royal gift box with the net cloth packaging, and I will share each and every step of how to make the base round box, how to attach the net cloth, how to make the Dori, and how to decorate this with mirror and paper quilling work. Isn't it looking very pretty? And you can simply open the Dori like this, and inside the box I have added lots of chocolates, but you can also put dry fruits or wristwatch or any kind of jewelry or shagun coins. So whatever you want, you can use this as a royal gift for weddings or anniversaries. And without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking 3 pieces of cardboard circles which are having 9 centimeters of diameter, and I am connecting all 3 cardboard pieces together to create the base of the box. Then on top of this I am adding one more same size white color cardstock circle. Burnish it nicely, and then I am just sanding the edge of this bunch using sandpaper so that we can stick the cardstock strip around this. Now here I am taking white color cardstock strip which measures 30 by 6 centimeters. So just adding glue on the edge of this thick bunch and connecting the cardstock strip to construct the box. Adding little glue on both the ends and then hold it for a few seconds or for 1 minute like this till it gets connected, and the nice and sturdy box is ready. You can put up to 200 of gram weight inside this. Now I will show you how to attach the net cloth inside this. So here I am taking red color net cloth, and this measures 50 by 50 centimeters. Now I'm just folding it in a square shape like this, a twice fold or double fold like this, just finding out the corner, and I am just cutting one small circle in the corner so that we can tuck the net fabric inside our box. So just adding glue on the base and also on the wall, and start attaching the net fabric one by one. If you have glue gun, it will work more nice and it will quickly attach with the box. So try to use glue gun if you have. Fevicol or liquid glue takes time. I don't have glue gun, that's why I'm using here Fevicol. And now inside the box I'm adding one red color cardstock strip which is again 30 by 6 centimeters. Now since we are adding this inside the box, it is having 0.5 centimeter extra height. Already added B7000 glue on the edge and connecting it nicely inside the box. Now your net cloth is nicely attached. Then here I am taking this designer paper which is 30 by 6.5 centimeters, and I am going to connect the strip around the box from outer side. So it will look like this, very pretty. Then here I have attached one rubber band to tie my fabric just for the sake of video. Later I will show you how to make the Dori. And now I am sticking here 0.5 mm gold mirror cardstock strip on the top edge of the box using B7000 glue to secure our net cloth little more from top. Then I am just cutting the excess net cloth from top and leveling it up. cutting it using scissor. Hold it tight and then just trim it. So now this is having a same level all around the edge, and you can create nice flower shape like this. Then here I am taking this beautiful border design which I cut using gold mirror cardstock and red cardstock. The die is by Dress My Craft, and I am just connecting it on the top and bottom edge of the box from outer side. Similarly, going to connect the border in the bottom like this. Very pretty and very festive. So after attaching border on both the sides, it should look like this. After that, I am just showing you how to make the mirror quilled motif. For this, here I am taking 8 mm square mirror and 2 mm yellow color strip. Just add little glue on the edge and connecting with the mirror, and start wrapping the strip around the mirror and create the edge. So this is done. With a similar method, I have already prepared lots of mirror quilled motifs. Now taking back my box, and before attaching the mirror quilled motifs, we have to find out the center line. So here I am just putting my ruler like this. The height is 6.5 centimeter now, and the center of this is approx 3.25. So just marking at 3.25 in equal interval, and then we just need to join these markings to create the center partition. Like this. Now add glue and start attaching these diamond designs one by one. So it is nicely attached. Now here I am taking the diamond chain in golden color and just sticking it on the top of the diamond pattern using B7000 glue. Similarly, going to connect one more chain in the bottom. After that, I am taking here red color ball chain and sticking it on top of the diamond chain. And then on top of the ball chain, I am adding one more row of golden diamond chain. Similarly, going to repeat the same in the bottom. And then here I have created some quill shapes in maroon color, which are made using 1/4 strip of maroon color in 2 mm. So I am just sticking these tight coils between the gap of these diamond patterns just to fill this, and also red will contrast the yellow little more, so our diamond patterns will enhance more. Now here I have these beautiful teardrop shaped mirrors, so I am just connecting these mirrors on top and in the bottom in equal gap. Here I have changed my mind and I have decided to add some more teardrop mirrors between these mirrors just to fill the gaps little more, and just completing it quickly. Now I will show you how to make the tussle hanging or the Dori. So here I am taking yellow color embroidery thread, passing through the ready-made golden tussle bunch. Here I am taking double embroidery thread, so just passing through the loop and making a knot. And then I am adding yellow color bead, golden bead, then one pink color bead, again golden bead, and one yellow bead through the thread. And then just creating one knot on top of the beads to secure it, so that it will not move from its place. Like this. Then on other side again I am adding the same sequence of beads and also attaching the golden tussle on another end. So the Dori is completely ready, and now I am taking back my box and opening the net cloth and filling it with lots of chocolates. Here I am taking Lindt chocolates, but you can also fill this with dry fruits. You can add some small gifts like jewelry, bangles, wristwatch, or you can put some silver coins as a shagun in the wedding. And you can simply gather all the net cloth in one point, wrap your handmade Dori around this, and just tie the bow knot. And you can simply open the net cloth from top to create the flower kind of shape. It will look more nice. And in this way you can make beautiful shagun box or royal gift box to gift it to your loved ones or nearer ones. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.